Care of personal items. Clothes, underwears, towels, and handkerchiefs.
Here, what you asked for, Mom.
Are these all the underwears you have?
Yeah, boxers and vests.
Oh, I forgot you were a boy. Underwears also include brassiers, petticoats, slips, corsets, and briefs. Oh, usually worn by females.
Oh.
Anyway, whether you're a boy or a girl, underwears must be clean because they're worn next to the skin.
So we clean them by washing them.
Yeah, and making sure they are dried well before storage. Since they are worn as inner clothing, ensure you change them daily to avoid unpleasant smell.
I do that every time I bathe. I change into fresh panties.
That's cute. What items do you use when bathing?
That's easy. I use soap, face towel, and water. Then I dry myself with my new towel.
Great! Even face and bath towels need to be washed and aired regularly after use. First, they should be soaked in cold water to remove stubborn dirt. Then wash and rinse in hot soapy water using the friction method to remove all the dirt.
Then air to dry.
Come slowly. You must rinse them again in cold water to freshen the fabric before you air it. Allow it to dry well before you fold and store appropriately in wait for your tour.
I can't wait for the D-Day.
Tick-tock. The clock is ticking. Anyway, people have personal preferences and tastes for clothes. Besides, the choice of clothes you want to wear depends on your physical characteristics like height and build, lifestyle, and resources available.
Makes sense.
Therefore, when buying a cloth, ensure that it is well-fitting, of the right color, that matches your complexion, and suits the occasion, as well as going with the accessories you wear.
So if I am huge like Daddy, I should wear baggy clothes.
I didn't say that, you did. I would suggest you avoid such clothes because they will exaggerate your size. Other clothes to avoid are those that are too tight or made of bulky fabrics. Instead, go for ones with one color from shoulder to hem, since they give an unbroken line, and if you have to use a belt, make sure it is narrow and of the same color as the fabric.
That is a lot to remember.
Don't worry, I'll show you how to do it right for the trip. Anyway, if you choose to wear any jewelry, do not overdo necklaces and bangles, as these draw attention to your fatness. You don't want everyone looking at you suspiciously, do you?
Yeah, no, of course, it would make me very uncomfortable, no?
Yep, but you're not fat, so don't worry at all.
I know I'm thin, and it doesn't make me happy at all.
Hey, thin is for ill people. You have a slim figure, my boy.
So how do people like me dress for the occasion?
I'll show you. To enlarge your figure, wear light-colored and bulky fabrics with horizontal lines. The top and the trousers should be of different colors to break the thin line. If necessary, wear jewelry of medium size, but please avoid tight-fitting designs.
Because they will expose my small figure. As you are doing laundry, I noticed you didn't dip some clothes in water. What are you planning with them?
Because not all clothes require washing.
Oh, yeah.
They are dry cleaned to avoid them fading, shrinking, or losing shape. Such clothes include those made of silk, wool, velvet, and rayon.
Now I know.
Yep, now you know. But regardless of whether clothes are washed or dry cleaned, They should be stored when they are properly dry to prevent mold and mildew. Keep mothballs in the wardrobe or cloth drawer to discourage the growth of moths which destroy clothes. And finally, use common sense to ensure you keep your clothes in good shape and mend them whenever they are torn.
All right. Now I know what I'm supposed to pack for the tour. What about you?
Me? I'll pack everything we have discussed and wrap it all with cosmetics.
What are those?
These are items we ladies use to enhance our appearance on the face, hands, and feet. What you refer to as makeup.
Oh, like lipstick and cutex?
Yeah, as well as eyeshadow, eyeliner, face powder, mascara, foundation, and so on.
All that sounds Greek to me.
I know. Anyway, I choose to use them because I am no longer youthful.
Oh, so how do you apply all these things at once?
First, before I go buying them, I look at my skin type and complexion, and I ensure that they do not contain chemicals like mercury and hydroquinone.
Very dangerous chemicals because they are bad, is it?
Yup, they cause the skin to bleach as well as interfere with vital organs in the body like the kidney.
Oh, I see. So, how are they applied?
All right. Since cosmetics are meant to enhance beauty, one should not apply too much of them, as this exaggerates your look and closes skin pores, thus prevents sweating. That is why all makeup should be removed before going to bed to allow the skin to breathe.
Oh, that sounds like being wasteful. Anyway, I feel so hungry. What are you cooking for lunch?
Something special for someone special like you.
Am I special?
Yes,
Why?
because you, my son, is in your adolescence. That makes you special because you need special care and attention. Don't give me that look. All right. Why don't you remind us about what we have discussed before I prepare that lunch?
Why not? Underwears are clothes that are worn next to the skin. They include briefs, sleeves, corsets, and vests. That is all I can remember anyway.
Okay.
Underwears need to be changed and washed daily to prevent bad smell. When buying clothes, choose ones that suits your body size and bring out the best in you.
And a person with a full figure should wear well-fitting clothes of one color with moderate jewelry. For a slim figure, the opposite is true. There are clothes that require washing in water, while others need dry cleaning. And finally, cosmetics enhance personal appearance, but should be applied with moderation.
All right, let's go cook.
And discuss adolescence in the process.
No problem.